What is special about Argentina? It has both the lowest and highest points in all of the southern hemisphere. Because Argentina has many more temperate plains rather than glaciers, many dinosaurs thrived about because Argentina was way hotter back then than it is now. Oh, I just realized that all of the dinosaurs on this list are from the Cretaceous period, which is 145 to 65 million years ago, as Argentina had a lot of Cretaceous dinosaurs. Today, I am going to show you 5 dinosaurs from Argentina, and I chose these 5 because they stand out from others. So let's jump right in, shall we? Number 5, Saltasaurus. Saltasaurus was a 12-meter, 39-foot long sauropod with bumps and plates on its back. It used this to protect itself and give any carnivore a hard time. Get it? Saltasaurus could only raise its head shoulder height because of all the bony tendons in its neck. Saltasaurus was about 4 meters, which is 13 feet, tall, and it weighed 7 tons. Its name means Salta lizard because it was discovered in the Salta province of Argentina. Number 4, Giganotosaurus. Giganotosaurus was a 12 to 13 meter, 39 to 42 foot long carnivorous dinosaur that was bigger than T-Rex. Scientists speculate that it could run very fast. Giganotosaurus means giant southern lizard because, well, it lives in the south, Argentina. Giganotosaurus had little tiny arms like T-Rex's, but slightly longer, but on those stubby little arms were sharp, slashing 3-clawed fingers. Number 3, Carnotaurus. Carnotaurus was a 9-meter, 30-foot long carnivorous dino, and a belosaurid, to be specific, with arms shorter than T-Rex's. But it had powerful horns on its head that it could use for fighting for dominance, courtship, or just intimidating others. It could also use them to knock the wind out of prey, basically make the victim tired, so they could kill the prey easily. Carnotaurus may have also had little bony armor called scutes. Its name means meat-eating bull because it ate meat and also because of its horns. As they say, if you mess with the bull, then you got the horns. I've done an unboxing and review video of the Mattel Carnotaurus. Here's a short clip from that video, and I've also provided the link in the description.
The Carnotaurus was a genus of Abelisaurian theropod dinosaur. The Carnotaurus had a big head as well, and it was a square shape, and it looks menacing if you look at it from this angle. Carnotauruses were very intelligent because of their hunting technique. They usually ambush prey and strike when the prey is unsuspecting. When they ambush prey, sometimes they hunt in packs when they want to hunt large dinosaurs such as the amargasaurus.
Number 2, Amargasaurus. Amargasaurus was a 10-meter, 33-foot long sauropod with a double sail on its neck, which tracks down to one sail on the back, which fades off slowly toward the tip of the tail. Scientists argue about whether it had spikes on its neck or a double sail. We will never find out until a new fossil is discovered or a paleontologist makes further examinations. Amargasaurus would have likely used the sail or spike to intimidate enemies or predators. That's a tall sail. Some predators might just be intimidated by its size. I've done an unboxing and review video of the Mattel Amargasaurus. Here's a short clip from that video, and I've also provided the link in the description.
It was a big sauropod dinosaur, which means very heavy, long-necked, long-tailed dinosaur that are usually huge. Here you have the Amargasaurus. It looks really cool, as you guys can see. There's really cool red paint here. Amargasaurus! I love this. This figure is so good. Wow.
Number 1, Argentinosaurus. Argentinosaurus was, wait for it, 40 to 42 meter, 131 to 138 feet long. That was its main feat. But guess what? Its weight was 80 tons and it was up to 70 feet tall. Scientists say there is an even bigger dino called Amphicoelias, but for a long time, this bad boy was the largest dino ever. Even Giganotosaurus would cower below it. Tendons extended from its ribs to its neck, so it couldn't raise its head above shoulder height. If it did, the pressure would burst its blood vessels. It was named after, you guessed it, where it was found. They didn't name it after its size and mass. Ironic. So everyone, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Bye everyone.